Pen is
rikativaudza vakutsvagirawo pen is muzukuru.
Comrades and friends, how are you? Zvarwadza, Zanu-PF. This is Traore here. I'm really hurt. I'm really broken because we've lost one of our most vibrant youth ainzi Tatenda Pinjisi akafaita accident. And to be honest with you, ndofunga video rake marona achichema achitaura kuti omana ndokumbira pain is. When I mention in my videos ndichitaura kuti our hospitals do not even have paracetamol $8 chaiyo. Yet the people who are running the country, they move with luxurious cars, they're giving each other Mustangs, top of the range vehicles. Whenever they want to get medication, they go out of the country, kunana Dubai, kunana UK, and you see, to get the best treatment. While as the common person, me and you, we languish in abject poverty. She were exposed to my hospitals. Asinaga na Mishonga. Millions and millions are stolen every day through illegal gold dealings, kubva kumatenda. Ndofunga corruption iri kuhealth ka azvitauri chino, and everyone knows about these things. And these guys avatomborwadziwi kana kupatika kuti no, we must do something. This is how our people are perishing. And you see, Tatenda Pinjisi, a young man with so much potential, are finding negligence your government. Why? Because they prioritize the wrong things. They prioritize compensating the white men who stole our land. Now they're stealing money. Those same people. Yet our hospitals are not going to Mishonga kana chini. Smith bakango gumira vakazvipatara ipapa nanhasi. Look at pain yanga ina Tatenda Pinjisi. Paka kuwara nemakuwarira akaita. Nekumuvwa kwakazoitwa ubva apa oendeswa kuna hospital iyo obviswa futa apa onzi ngaendawo. Are in so much excruciating pain. So we need to ask ourselves, is this the government that we want? Honestly, are we going anywhere? What meaningful development is the Second Republic given to us? And definitely nothing. And the question that people will ask is, until when is action going to be taken whereby that action is going to determine and put an end to the suffering which people are going through every day? This government has failed. Accident. Vanhu vaitenda mapiritsi aionzwa naTrump achaunza vanhu vachadii. EU yakabva kukata funding just now. Nyika haina industry. Economy yedu it's on its knees. But vanhu varamba vachitengerana motikari vachipanana mastendi vatakavhotera. They don't consult us in any way. They just do things from their heads just to service the appetite yavo iyo, forsaking the masses. Saka tiri kuendepi wakomana? Something needs to be done. As long as we don't stand up to this kleptocratic government, as one people, as a country, I'm telling you, we will be abused till Jesus comes. Zvarwadza steric. Tatenda Pinjisi is no more. May his soul rest in peace. But honestly, something needs to be done. We need to put an end to this and speak with one voice and say enough is enough. Thank you.
pen is
rikativaudza vakutsvagirawo pen is muzukuru.